How to use embossing in drawing. This is one way. So I'm using a graphite stick to create a fence post or a mooring post jutting out of what will be water using a graphite stick. And now I'm using an embossing tool to create an indent ripples in what will be the water. Just adding with a 7B pencil some extra texture and lines and shading on the post just to make it look a little bit more solid. And then I'll be using the graphite stick to create the reflection. Don't forget, it's a mirror image. And then a paper stump or tortillon I will use to smudge all of that to create the water surface. And you can see the embossed areas coming through. You can also use it for window frames, fur, and anywhere you want white lines.